poached cod with vegetables for my girlfriends this Sunday afternoon for lunch. This is what we will be preparing today. Delicious. Ciao everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my kitchen. This Sunday I'm having a small lunch for some of my girlfriends and we all agreed on poached cod with vegetables for a main course. Delicious. Now let's get started. Set your stove to medium heat and add a tablespoon and a half of extra virgin olive oil to your pan. While the oil is heating up, we're going to season our codfish with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Two chopped shallots. We're going to saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. Three minced garlic cloves, and we're just going to saute them for no longer than a minute. 3 cups of passata. 1 cup of chicken stock, but I'm going to wash all this good stuff with it. Season with salt and pepper. I will taste it again later. 1 tablespoon of chili pepper. And a generous sprinkle of Italian seasoning. Oof, I know it's early, but if you could only smell my kitchen. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Half a teaspoon of baking soda to remove the acidity from the tomatoes. We're ready for the cod. Cup of my favorite olives, calabrese. Parboiled small potatoes cut in half. 1.5 cups. We cover and simmer for 20 minutes. We have a few more minutes to go. I'm adding some fresh basil from my garden. This dish is ready. I'm going to plate it and taste it for you. I'm so very pleased the way my poached cod with vegetables and olives turned out. It's absolutely delicious. It says summertime. Delicious. My girlfriends are going to love this. Stay tuned and let's see what they say. I thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Katerina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Ciao. Remember, stay tuned. Let's see what my friends think. Oh my goodness, the sauce is so delicious.
So we're here today at Katerina's Romano's kitchen in her beautiful villa. As you can see, it's a gorgeous place. We're so lucky to be here today, right girls?
My pleasure.
I'm ready to taste the poached cod with vegetables. Okay. Let's try this. Exquisite, exquisite, Katerina. Incredible. I think the last time I tasted tomato sauce, this was delicious, was back in Italy, in my Nona's kitchen.
My pleasure. Should my subscribers make it?
I think so. Like and subscribe, everyone. This is incredible. Everyone should really learn this. Definitely. Let's not forget this. Incredible.